Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the white screen when opening mod packs in the Technic launcher. You want to start off by opening the Technic launcher, and then you want to click on launcher options. This will show where your install folder is. I have mine on my desktop, but the default folder, which most of you guys will have, will be in your application supports folder. After you open the folder, which is right over here, you'll want to click on mod packs and then the mod pack that you'll want to fix. For this video I'm using Technic Lite, but it works on Hexit, Technic Classic, Technic, everything. So after that you'll want to click on the mod pack you want to fix. You will want to click on bin, natives, and here you will have a couple of files. Some of you guys might have more than one of these files. It is perfectly okay. For you guys, you'll have to rename all of these files, but if you just have one file just like me, you'll want to rename just one file. As I said, you'll have to rename it to 64, to LIBLWJGL64. So basically all what you're doing is adding a 64 and changing the extension. Instead of having JNILIB, you'll want to have .DYLIB. So the extension should be same as this one. So you're just adding 64 on the end and changing the .JNILIB to this one. After that, you can just close the folder and open the mod pack. The FML will be setting your Minecraft environment just like always, but now you'll notice that you have a black screen. It all depends on the computer you're running, but the black screen will probably be there for 20 to 30 seconds at first. Then it's just gonna get faster and faster. So I'm gonna skip to the moment when the Technic Lite opens. Alright guys, so as you can see, the Technic launcher mod pack opened. Everything works fine. Thanks for watching and see you guys next time.